So on this week's episode of Will It Weld, we have some, what do they call this again? Aluminum stuff they use for cable. CSA certified, so that's good. So that means we can weld structural with it, right, everyone in the comments? So this side doesn't have the sheathing on the inside. We haven't done anything to prep this. I actually have literally no idea what kind of aluminum it actually is made out of, or if it's gonna weld. We're gonna see if I can weld my sled back together on a weekend with this stuff. I only have with me right now 332 2% lantanated tungsten for aluminum welding. Set the Dynasty up for some alumni welding. Oh God, that's still left over from last week when we had the chicken on it. I think it ruined why did it all come apart in one? The grease got in there. That chicken really did a number on my consumables. And my collet body and my collet, my diffusing lens. The ceramic cup just smells like chicken. Is that normal? Why does it smell like chicken? Who welded chicken with my tungsten? I could tell, I know from experience. So I think I'm gonna do a quick weld on here, just make sure my machine's okay, with some 1/8 5356 wire. Okay, it's welding. Probably a good heat. Do it. I think it'll weld. What do you think? It's basically filler wire. I can go weld a structure together with this, right? Everybody in the comments? I mean, it looks as if I don't know how to weld aluminum, but I think it would hold something together. This really separates the boys from the men. You know what it probably is? It's actually probably too hot for this. I mean, not terrible. After it got squished, it was a lot better. How the hell do you cut this stuff, electricians? I need help. I honestly think I could do a repair with that if I really had to.